Hello everybody, so this is the unboxing video of Amazfit Verge Lite, a smartwatch by a company called Amazfit, and I ordered this from the website and got it delivered within 2 days. I got it for rupees 5,000, and according to me this is one of the best options available at this price point. Before the unboxing itself, let me just give you the box overview. So on the right hand side, we have the information. This watch is in shark gray color. So this side we have the barcode information and the product name written. On the back end side, we have product specifications. So first off, this smartwatch is having an AMOLED display, 1.3 inches circular AMOLED display, and along with that it has multiple sport tracking features, so you can use it to track multiple activities like outdoor running, exercise, and walking. Along with that, if you actually pair it up with your smartphone, you can receive notifications on your smartwatch, app alerts or incoming call alerts, but you cannot answer the calls because this smartwatch is not having any mic or speaker. Apart from it, we have GPS plus GLONASS support here, so you can use this smartwatch to track your outdoor movements. You need not carry your cell phone outside. That gets recorded in the phone itself. Also, we have a PPG heart rate sensor there, which is really accurate in tracking heart rate. And this smartwatch has a very good long-lasting battery. So, in my opinion, with all the features turned on, it should easily last 10 to 12 days on a single charge. So that's there with the box contents. I don't think there's any other information to be seen on the outer box. Let me just open this outer covering. So inside this we have another box there, and that box is going to be the main box there. Let me just pull it out. So this is a very sturdy looking box, a very premium packaging by Amazfit. There's nothing written on this box except the Amazfit name. Let me just open this box ever so slightly. So yeah, this is the first look at the smartwatch itself. This is in space gray color, which is, in my opinion, better looking than the white option. Let me just use this flap here to take out this container. On the box, it's written "Move beautifully." Let me just take this out. Yes. So all our accessories are inside this box. Let me just open the flap there. And on the right hand side, we can see the first accessory, that is the charging dock. So in order to charge this smartwatch, we just need to simply place the smartwatch on top of that charging dock. Let me just show it very closely. So this is having a USB input. You can use your power bank or computer USB port to charge it. And here we have a user manual. So this has all the instructions to start up your smartwatch, set up your smartwatch and pair it with the smartwatch application. Coming back to the charging dock there, so this is having a matte rubberized feel to it. Looks very sturdy, and we can see the 4 pins there which will actually charge the smartwatch. And the cord quality is also very good. Let me now share the watch itself. So this is the smartwatch there. The look and feel is very good. The weight is very light of this smartwatch, so it should not be a problem wearing it the whole day. The straps are of very good quality. They are also rubberized matte finish, and the circular dial is very sturdy looking. Also, the glass there on the top is, in my opinion, I think it's a Corning Gorilla glass there. Let me just open the straps. So these straps are user replaceable, and the ones which are bundled are very secure. Uh, so we can use these pins on the straps to pull them out and replace them with any strap of our choice. On the back-end side of the smartwatch, we can see the PPG heart rate sensor there in the center, and above that we can see the 4 pins for charging the smartwatch. So that's for the smartwatch, guys. A very sturdy looking smartwatch there by Misfit. And let me just show you how to charge a smartwatch. All we need to do is just place the smartwatch on the charging dock there. Um, so this goes in, and let me just show you. There's a button also on the right hand side. Let me just pull it out. So that's the home button on the smartwatch. It's a physical button to go back to the home screen. And I'll be making another video there in which I'll show how to set up the smartwatch and pair it with your phone.